Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Gwallet or web3 app keys using Bitwarden, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Bitwarden app or access the Bitwarden website. Log into your Bitwarden account using your master password. Once logged in, navigate to the Vault section. Click on Add Item to create a new secure entry. In the Item Type dropdown, select Secure Note. In the name field, enter a recognizable title, such as Gwallet keys or web3 app keys. In the note, make sure that sensitive information is securely entered. Optionally, you can set a custom field for extra organization. Click Save to store your secure note in your vault. Always verify that your entry appears in the vault. To ensure your data is synchronized, click on the sync icon in the app or the browser extension. Next, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. You can do this by going to Account Settings and choosing Two-Step Login. Follow the prompts to link an authenticator app or other method for verification. Regularly back up your master password in a secure location. Remember, losing your master password means losing access to all saved data. For continual security, review your entries periodically for any updates or changes. Proactively monitor for any suspicious activity linked to your web3 apps or Gwallet. This ensures the best protection for your digital assets within Bitwarden. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.